What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about Legendary Marketer. All right, guys, let's get right into it. So, Legendary Marketer. I started Legendary about 2 months ago, sometime in October. I bought their 15-day online business builder challenge for $7, and I went through the whole course, the whole 15 days. You know, the name is 15-day challenge because it's 15 days long, kind of obvious. And after that, I took everything that I learned and I implemented it. I set up a ClickFunnels account, set up an Aweber account. I set up my sales pages, and I set up a TikTok account, and I reused my Instagram account to start promoting as an affiliate marketer. Now it is December, the second week of December, and so I've been at it as an affiliate marketer about 6 weeks. And the reason why this is important is because after 6 weeks of work, I've actually just seen my first commission. The reason why I'm coming out here and telling you guys this is because I want to be 100% transparent. I don't want to come on here and promote something that doesn't work. I want to come in here and tell you guys about my experience. I want to tell you guys about what I've learned, about what I'm dealing with, and about what, everything that happens. So if it's like 6 months down the line and I don't get another commission, either I'm doing something wrong, something's not set up right, or the approach to this is like actually garbage and I need to take a different route. So, but the fact of the matter is that I'm 6 weeks in. I followed everything as close to a T as I think I possibly could for the knowledge that I have. And I have actually grown an email list. I've grown followers on TikTok and Instagram, and I have earned my first commission. And that means that if I followed the program exactly the way it's set up, it actually works. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and tell you guys that, because I'm hoping that if you're watching my channel, you also are either interested in online business, or you're just interested in, taking the next step somewhere. And I hope that I can possibly inspire you to take that next step and to actually put yourself out there and put in the work. And because I want you guys to see that if you put in the work and you put in the effort, you can accomplish anything. I say that a lot, and I don't care if it's repetitive, because it's very true. Put in the work, put in the effort, and you'll be successful. And I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. I'm gonna keep putting in the work that I do every day, and we're gonna see how far we can take this affiliate marketing with Legendary Marketer. I've seen results of other people that affiliate with Legendary Marketer, and they're astronomical. They make thousands and thousands of dollars. And I'm hoping to scale my personal business in that same direction. So we're just gonna keep grinding, we're gonna keep growing, and I'm gonna show you guys every step, the entire way. And hopefully I can inspire you guys to do the same thing, because if this works for me, I have no doubt in my mind it can work for you guys. I'm just a truck driver from Maine, trying to make a difference in my life. And if I can do it, you can too. All right, so I'm gonna continue to update you guys on my progress with Legendary Marketer and affiliate marketing in the future. I'm going to be making some changes to my email autoresponder, and maybe trying to find some other affiliate programs to promote through that, because growing an email list is how you can promote to the same people that are interested in other products, and possibly get repeat business. So maybe I'll do a video where I update you guys that in the future. Right now, very important, we are at 97 subscribers on YouTube. We're very close to our 100 subscriber goal for the year. 3 more to go. Like guys, share the videos, comment, let's get some engagement. I really want to hit 100, and if we do hit 100 before January 1st, I am gonna do either a giveaway or a one-on-one Zoom meeting, and we're going to get somebody possibly set up with their own online business. I will be like an open resource for you guys to ask me all the questions that you have about affiliate marketing and online business, because I want to share this with you guys so you can possibly grow and change your lives for the better too. So I'm going to wrap the video there. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss a single video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.